On this video, we'll take a look here at what is exactly green speeds. Green speeds refers to how fast the ball rolls off the putting green surfaces. Faster the green allows the ball to roll faster and with less force. The slower the green, well, requires a firmer stroke. We're going to walk through the origin of green speed and the concept in the early history. While greens were natural turf in the pre 1990s, even bumpy and uneven, speed really wasn't measured, and golfers simply just adjusted. Greens were slow on modern standards because they didn't have the technology of lawnmowers and they had sheeps pretty much taking care of the golf courses. As we move into early 20th century, speed became noticeable. And with modern day technology, greens became smoother, difficult, and how fast the greens started to play became obvious, and golfers started to talk about fast, slow, and heavy greens when playing certain courses. The turning point came in the 1930s to 1970s. Tournaments needed consistency, and green speed was not just judged by feel. In the late 1970s, the invention of the Stimpmeter eventually gave players the way of qualifying green speeds and turning it into a subjective idea into a measurable one. Green speeds became comparable, and tournaments set up more of a standard of fast greens and were measurable. Green speeds became more of a standard for architects and supervisors on how to determine slope, hole locations, and safety. And overall, the older the course, the slower the greens typically was at the time, at least for public courses. As the early golf, you had slow, uneven greens, and in modern golf today, you have fast and controlled surfaces. So, the Stimpmeter was invented in 1970 by Stimpson, and it was a simple concept that we're going to dedicate a video to now that I look at it. But for slow greens, it's 7 to 8, and for fast greens and championship extreme ones, it's over 13. So there is a number system, but focusing on what a green speed is a measurable concept because of the Stimpmeter and PGA numbering system, ranging from a 7 for slow greens to a 12 for elite tournaments. And it has resurfaced, more importantly, in the 1970s to change the game. In regards to green speed, that has emerged as a golf concept that has improved maintenance, made golf greens smoother and measurable and influential. And once speeds became quantifiable, it inqualifiable because of tournaments, it was rather that than just a guessing system. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.